Hey everyone. So it's been a minute since I've been live. There have been some moving things going on. We moved into a new house last week and we're just getting settled here. So I wanted to pop on a little early today because I need to. And so here we are. So today we're going to just do a visualization because I think around the holidays it's really helpful, especially before we go and see family, or just this time can bring up a lot for people. It can be a happy time, it can be a sad time, it can be a lonely time, it can be a time where you feel in community with family. All the emotions can come up around this time of year. And I think it's helpful to remember that we can visualize this time of year in the way that we want it to go, or we want it to feel. So let's just take a minute and do that together. So go ahead and close your eyes and find your seat. And start by taking 3 long, slow, deep breaths, inhaling slowly and fully through the nostrils and exhaling deeply. And let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. And see if you can visualize the holiday season, what you have coming up for you. Maybe this is time where you gather with family, you gather with friends. Maybe there's traveling involved. And see if you can just picture the next couple days and really start to visualize and see yourself in these days. How you want these days to go. How you wake up in the morning. What pajamas are you wearing? What coffee mug or teacup to grab? Does it feel cozy? Even visualize the colors around you. And go through the day from the morning through to the afternoon. And into the evening. And create your demeanor, create your presence. Are you excited? Are you open? Are you laughing? Are you curled up on a couch watching Christmas movies or other movies? Reading books? And sometimes for those of us who are alone on the holidays, it's not a sad thing. So just tap in to see how you can create these moments for yourself. Seeing interactions with people that you may feel tension with. Just see yourself interacting in a very easy and calm way. Bring a little smile to your face right now. And you can let these images go, and I want you to put your attention to the top of the head, a little bit higher than the head itself, almost like a halo. And you can see this little halo. It's circular, it's white, maybe gold, depending on whatever color you see. And let that represent your highest self. Now connect this higher self to your head, to your cheeks. You can even imagine or visualize it kind of moving its way through your body, over your head, down the neck, down the arms, the hands, around the chest, the torso, your seat, your legs, your feet. And take a deep breath into this feeling of just being bathed in your highest self. Knowing exactly what that means for you. And start to take some deeper breaths now. Coming back into the physical body. And circle your wrists, circle your head, roll your shoulders up, back, and down. And when you're ready, blink your eyes open and come back. So I hope that that was comfortable for everyone. I'd love to hear in the comments just how that went for you. A couple of announcements that I want to let you know of. So there are 4 spots left for the communication circle that's starting in January. This is where you get to come to these group calls with me, and you get to share what's coming up for you and get guidance from me, practices, feedback. And it starts in the beginning of January. And then we have the meditation and communication course that's starting in the middle of January. And this is really around deepening your meditation practice, or really beginning a meditation practice, and seeing the connection between meditation and communication, and strengthening your communication practice as well. It's going to be a really wonderful 6 weeks. It's a 6 weeks course with me. And you're going to be learning a lot of different meditations to really change the way that you're interacting, and seeing your meditation outside of, like, off the cushion, right? We're really going to be learning how to bring the techniques and practice of meditation out into our communication. So there's that happening as well. And we also have the annual communication review. So you can look back on this past year and seeing all your interactions and kind of planning for your interactions to come. I'll post all that information below in the comments, and I would love to see you all in the new year in some way. And I'm going to pick today a peacemaker card, because these are the ones that are on my desk, which is full of all the things from moving. Truth is bright. Truth feels light. Truth leads me where I want to go. Truth is bright. Truth feels light. Truth leads me where I want to go. I hope you have a wonderful holiday this week, and I'll have to see if I'll be here next week on Wednesday for the live meditation. It will just depend on schedules of children. So I will let you all know. All right? Lots of love to all of you. Mwah. Happy Merry everything.